Hey guys, today I wanted to talk about why I think the Tesla price is still going to increase and why it previously has. So first of all, you may know Tesla may be going into the S&P 500. In fact, it's quite likely. In the Q2 earnings report, Tesla achieved 4 successive quarters of profit. Along with this, they also achieved the requirements needed to get into the S&P 500, which means that as long as they get accepted, it is quite likely they will go into the S&P 500. Now, if this is improved, that means that the demand for Tesla shares will increase drastically and the share price should go up. Some other good news is that Tesla deliveries are up 13% in the first half of 2020, which is quite promising as we know that obviously it's increasing. Right now, and for a while, the car market has a very competitive place and very difficult. However, Tesla has shown that they still can be profitable and get a lot of sales. So obviously, if the business continues to perform so well, the stock price should go up. Now, just being honest, I really want to say don't be stupid about this because it may not go up. I could be wrong, it's really just my opinion. But there are a few facts supporting why it could be going up. And personally, I think it's a good long-term investment. I don't think you should be buying it today with the intention of selling it next week. I really do think that this is something you should hold on to for years if you can. Also, along with this, it is very volatile. There has been a lot of days where it's gone up and a lot of days where it's gone down, so don't look at the days where it goes down as negative. It really is just an opportunity to buy more because, like I said, I really do think in the future it's going to really go up. Now, something very important with most shares is the valuation of the business, and Tesla's valuation is just under 300 billion, which is actually on par with many companies selling up to 30 times as much as Tesla, such as Toyota, which means that along with the increase in sales, which is likely, like I just said, there really will be a lot of chance for the valuation to go up, meaning the stock price will also increase. Now, honestly, I'm very optimistic about this because along with all of this so far, Tesla is hopefully going to be releasing their full self-driving on all their Tesla cars with the ability to self-drive. Now, this has been estimated to be before the end of 2020, which means that it is not that long away. Now, what does this mean for Tesla? Well, honestly, I think that the sales could really increase because of this, because who wouldn't want a self-driving car? If you can afford it, that's really something that most people would possibly want. Along with this, Elon Musk himself has stated that Tesla cars with the ability to self-drive will go up about 5 times the amount they are once self-driving is released. 5 times. That is a lot. Like, honestly, I can't get over that. That really is so much. 5 times what they are now. Now, it might not be as much as Elon Musk is saying. It could be a bit of an over-exaggeration. But still, even if it was 2 times, that's still heaps. Really just think of that for a second. Most cars will always just go down in value. This is going to possibly go up 5 times. So like I said before with long term, if you really didn't want to hold it for 10 years, you probably won't need to, because once self-driving comes out, more cars will be sold, the cars will go up in value, and hopefully that means the valuation will go up, and hopefully that means that the Tesla price will also go up for the stock. Now, honestly, like I said, I'm very optimistic about Tesla, and I really do see a lot of potential in Tesla. If you are really interested in Tesla, I would take a look into it and maybe consider investing in it, because I do really think that this is a great investment to have. Now, I just want to clarify, this is all my opinion. There are some facts supporting it, but at the end of the day, this is all my opinion. It really isn't certain and set in stone, and for all we know, it could go down. We really don't know. Anyway guys, that's all I have to say. But if you really do agree with me and you also think it's a good buy, let me know in the comments. But if you think that it's actually a bit overvalued and it might be just a bubble that's getting ready to burst, also comment down in the description because I'd really like to know why. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos just like these. Now just quickly, click the video here if you'd like to watch this video which YouTube chose just for you, specifically for you. So hopefully you'll enjoy it if you watch it. I really would recommend watching it. Thanks so much guys, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.